All right, let's dive into the world of Agile development and talk about setting clear acceptance criteria for each story. This is a crucial step that can make or break your project's success. When we're working on a user story, it's important to define what success looks like from the start. So, how do we set these acceptance criteria? Well, first off, think of them as your guiding stars. They should be specific enough to ensure you know exactly when the story is done and meets all requirements. For example, if you're building a feature that allows users to add items to their shopping cart, an acceptance criterion might be: when a user clicks Add to Cart, the item must appear in the shopping cart section. Next up, we want these criteria to be testable. They should spell out exactly how you'll know when something works as intended. This means no room for ambiguity. Every point should be clear and measurable. Also, keep them simple and focused on value. Don't clutter your acceptance criteria with unnecessary details that might distract from the main goal. For instance, if adding an item to the cart is working perfectly, but there's some small formatting issue, you can address that later without derailing the primary functionality. Lastly, involve all stakeholders in creating these acceptance criteria. Whether it's developers, testers, or even clients, getting input from everyone ensures nothing important gets missed and builds buy-in for the project. To sum up, setting clear acceptance criteria means being specific about what success looks like, ensuring each criterion is testable and measurable, keeping them focused on value without cluttering with unnecessary details, and involving all stakeholders in the process. By doing this, you'll create a solid foundation for your stories and ensure everyone's on the same page regarding project progress. That's it for today. Remember to apply these tips to your next sprint planning meeting.